you have an SMP, you better make sure I don't join it. If I join your SMP, there are two ways it will go. One, you can save the server by stopping me and my plans. Or, second, you have